Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Woman at Her Job Ends Badly.
On May 17th, 2025, officers were dispatched to a Family Dollar to speak with a woman suspected of leaving the scene of an accident.
Oh, no, you're good. Thank you. Okay, all right.
Just so you know, they hit me.
Okay, well, sorry, say that again?
They hit me.
Okay.
I didn't hit anyone.
Well, let's start from the beginning. I think your mom just called you, let you know, or did she not talk to you? We were just over at the house. I didn't know if your
Well,
mom...
they hit my car. You can tell from the zero damage on his, the totally horrible damage on mine.
Okay,
I stopped because I saw them coming, and he just kept going.
Okay, well, again, we just came from your...
Can we go over here?
Yeah, absolutely. We just came from your residence over here. I was speaking to mom and dad. That's why I didn't know if they just called you or not. But the reason I'm here, I'm just...
The guy's so weird. Like, he's just been standing there for an hour waiting here.
Is
I was looking at him because I was like, is that the guy? But he wouldn't say anything to me.
Okay, yeah, I'm not...
looking at him.
Yeah, I'm not sure who that is. If we can just stand here for me.
Him?
So...
Is that not him?
No, I don't believe so. But, okay, but the reason I'm here is regarding the...
Sorry, we're on.
All right, well, let's go around this corner then, right around this side here.
Bro, come on. We not walking.
Right around this corner. Okay.
Come on.
Or would you rather right here? It's up to you. Okay. So I'm investigating a hit and run accident. After hearing what another party
Is
came
that
in.
car even damaged?
Yes, there was
'Cause mine
some
is,
damage
like,
on the other vehicle.
Really bad. And the only reason I left was because I had to go to work.
Okay.
They hit me.
Okay.
I was only on break.
That's what I was going to, again, I just wanted to speak with you, kind of give you a chance to tell me what happened. So you were driving, you were on your break driving?
I was just bringing my car here because I had to go somewhere after work.
Okay. So,
and literally on the way here, they just...
Okay. So
And
you
I
were...
didn't see them coming, and so I stopped. I was hitting the brakes, and I had stopped, and then they just kept going anyway.
Okay, where was this at? Was it...
And I stood there, and I parked over, and I waited, and no one ever pulled over. No one ever came to me. And I didn't want to call the police until after my shift.
Do you remember where it happened?
It was by the Food for Less.
Food for Less?
Okay.
On that part of the street.
Right over here at
I was going around the
122nd
block
Pulaski?
from where I park, and then I was turning to go here.
Okay, you were making a left on the Pulaski from 122nd? Okay. Yeah, the main issue we have is that the fact that you ended up leaving following the accident.
I was going to report after work. I couldn't afford to just leave work.
Okay. So I understand that. So the reason you ended up leaving was because you wanted to just get to work. But we do have to address that now because it is a crime to leave a scene of an accident.
Even if they hit me?
Yes, regardless, doesn't matter. I could document that in my report that you said that they hit you. He was saying vice versa, but I can at least document that in there for you.
That's funny because the front of my car is messed up, which means I didn't... It's like it's the side. If I was hit someone, it would have just been the complete front, but it was the side. Do you need a pic?
Okay. No, I actually saw your car over here. I took a picture of your car already. Sorry, what was that?
My mom moved it for me.
Okay.
I was still shaken up, I couldn't move it, so it was just in the middle of the street for an hour.
Okay.
Where'd your mom move it from?
Well, after the accident, I didn't go far. That's why I don't get why they would think I was hitting and running. I was literally right there, and I waited for 20 minutes, looking around. No one ever came up to me. No one ever said, and I was looking for dented cars, anything, and there was nothing.
Okay.
And I guess I know I should have called, but I just thought I could wait till after work because I knew if I called, I'd have to leave, and I'd potentially get in trouble with work.
Do you have insurance on your vehicle?
I have liability.
Okay, so you do have insurance in there?
Do they have liability?
That I believe so. Yes. Yeah. Yes.
So do we both get our cars fixed?
Well, so we're gonna address. Are you about to get off work right now?
At 3.
At 3 o'clock?
So 8 minutes.
Okay. I'm gonna hang out here until you're off your shift, and then we're gonna have to go to the station and address the hit and run issue. Okay. So if you want, or is anyone else here that can kind of take over for you until shift ends? Or do you normally stay after? Or you leave right at 3 o'clock?
So who's your replacement?
Hmm?
Who's going to replace you?
What do you mean?
That was 3 o'clock. Who replaces you?
Nita?
Okay, what time she show up?
3?
She shows up exactly at 3 o'clock, or does she go a little bit earlier?
Like 3?
Okay, exactly at 3 o'clock. Of course she drive. You know?
I'm not sure, but there's someone else in there. I could go, but am I being arrested?
Okay. Yes, you are going to be arrested.
I'm going to jail?
We're going to bring you there, process you. You'll be issued a citation and a court date for this.
So I have to spend the night in jail?
No. We'll only be there about 45 minutes to an hour, and then you'll be released.
So it's just a court? I've done court before.
Yes, you will have to go to court. But for right now, if you could just turn around, put your hands behind your back for
I
me.
can't do that here. I'm on camera at work.
Okay, now I understand that,
Can I
but
just get in the vehicle willingly?
we have to do what we do. We'll pull a car around and put you in
Please
it,
don't do
but
this at my job.
we're going to move a car around here, and we'll put you in the car back here, okay?
Right here.
I understand, but we got to do what we
I
got to do.
can't
Just
do this, please.
Susan, just turn around for
I'm
me, put your
clocked
hands
in at
behind your
work.
back.
What does she think this is? She think the job don't know? Honestly, the cops come showing up looking for you and you had to step outside. You think they don't know? Your car is all dented up. By you going around the corner isn't going to save you any more embarrassment. Guess what? They are already inside talking about you. The word has already got around. You are the highlight of the day. Okay? Nothing goes on at work usually. But today, you bring the officers here. You know, officers are looking for you. Yada, yada. You are the highlight of the day.
I can't.
We'll address that with them. We'll address that with
Please,
them.
I can't. I
Ma'am,
can't. My stuff
please
is
stop
inside.
resisting. Just turn around.
I can't. Why
Don't
are you doing
resist.
this at my job?
All right, just turn
Are
around
you
for
really
me and
gonna
put your
walk
other
me
leg.
in front of
Pull the car around and help
We're
you
gonna-
out. Turn
yes.
around. Turn your wrist up.
How does this hit me and I'm in trouble?
You don't have to see in a plane accident.
Because you
But I
ran.
have to see him too.
That's all right. I'll pull my car around.
So I'm going to jail for the night.
Not for the night. We're just processing you. We're gonna take your pictures, take your fingerprints, and then we're gonna leave, or you'll be able to leave from there.
The male Arabic possibly wearing a white t-shirt and blue jeans.
Where was this person when I was looking for that?
Central 702. Can you mark one female 95?
Was I supposed to find this person? What was I supposed to do? I've never been in an accident like this.
Yeah, I would, like you thought you should have done, just stop and call us. That would have been the right thing to do. But
Can I please get in?
do you have any weapons or anything like that on you? What's this fogger here? It's like a OC spray?
Yes, I almost got jumped at work. It's self-defense.
Okay. All right. Any other like knives or anything like that on you? Okay. All right. Just a second. I just have to do a limited pat down on you. Make sure there's no weapons or anything like that. So you got your phone in your back pocket? What's this here?
Chapstick.
Just chapstick? Okay.
I have a weed vape in there.
Yes. And this are these
Headphones. Because they hit me,
Ma'am, we need you back up.
but they're arresting me. Jail,
we're
Mom.
just taking her to Alpha Police. We just got to fingerprint her and take her photos. Then she'll be released. So it'll be about 45 minutes and then she'll be.
Who the heck is that rolling up to the scene?
My AirPods
Absolutely.
falling out of my ears.
I could grab them for
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah. Back up now.
Sorry. Or you want to grab that? It kind of laying on her chest. I don't know. In her other ear. It's in her ear now.
Please go. Can you just go tell?
I'm just on the road outside.
Where did I go?
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Can you what?
She's not gonna stay with us. She's gonna get out and about now.
Central 312, you can clear me to 105. There's a Uber waiting on a passenger.
I know. We had to do what we had to do.
The woman was charged with leaving the scene of an accident and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching.
Damn. Yeah, that's the problem with leaving a scene, because now they just really gonna go based off of what happened, and they got his side of the story first. If he's saying, oh, she hit me, and then you left the scene too, you're cooked. You're cooked. No matter where the damage is at. Hey, you're cooked. Because clearly you put 2 and 2 together. Why would you leave the scene? That doesn't sound right to me. You're trying to hide something. So anyway, you know, and the fact that she thinks being around the corner is going to save her any more less embarrassment. Come on. You work, okay? You know that she already the talk of the conversation. She already the talk in the break room already. Yo, did you see Sarah? Oh yeah, you already know. Oh, the cops came looking for, oh yeah. So anyway, I think the officers did a pretty good job, man. I don't know about, man, she wanted to walk around the block and 2 blocks down and all of that. Listen, that's a bit much. But anyway, yeah, I think the officers did a good job, man. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.